Hello guys, welcome back once again. And if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like the video as well, and turn on bell icon so that whenever I drop one amazing video like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube will send notifications instantly, guys. So guys, you just installed Nexus 4, and as for Nexus 4, the preset will not show as simple as that. So in this video, I will show you how to um set everything in order for your Nexus 4 preset to show. So you can see over here there is no Nexus folder showing up over your library. It's empty. So let me quickly show you how to fix this. I've watched so many videos on YouTube, and they will ask you to go to your computer and come to this section where it says drive C, come to users, public documents, and RFX, Nexus. Okay, let me show. Let's check what user content, Nexus, and oh, come to Nexus, come to the settings tab, and change the library from this place. It's not like that. Some people, the library, no, it will never show. So all you need to do is super simple. Just copy your Nexus preset from your folder, like what you're seeing right now. Just come to the library settings and paste it here. As simple as that. Just paste it there. As super simple, like what you're seeing right now. Just let it load. So while it's loading, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a video like what you're watching right now, YouTube will send notifications instantly, guys. So that is it. And right after this loading, I will go straight to my computer to show you if it will show or not. So let's wait for it to load. Like the video, comment down everything. I will be there to answer you. Comment down if you want me to show you how to install any plugin. Just comment down that I'll be there to show you everything. So let's come to the session again. Let's close this tab, delete it from this place. Okay, so let me load my Nexus again. As you can see, it has shown. So you can see over here it's showing. That's how we fix it. So there's no need for you to go to the settings tab, because the reason why it was super simple for us to fix is that the settings tab had been set to this library. So it's just for you to copy your preset, paste them here, and that's it. That's how it is being. So if you're able to fix yours, you can comment down below yes, and if you're not able to do that, just let me know the problem that you are facing. I'll be there to help you out. Thank you guys for your time. See you in my next video.